Hello everyone and welcome. Today I am going to explain to you the process of car damping. So it is a process whereby we have the application of certain materials which I am going to show you. This is applied to the inner parts of the door as well as the underfloor under the carpet. This helps in reducing the outside noise and a lot of the vibrations which come from the engine, and it also increases the driver comfort as well as the occupant comfort. It also has the benefit of much better performance from your speakers, whether it's your stock speaker or if you are upgrading your speakers, damping is definitely the way to go.
Okay.
So today I am going to demonstrate with the products from a company called Moco, which is one of the leading brands in India and offers a very good warranty on all the products. So the first product we are going to be applying is the brand of sound damping sheets. This is the 2.2 mm sheet. So it comes in a pack of 10. So this is the thickness of the material. This is one of the most premium sheets available, and also we have this 6 mm foam sheet. This is another additional foam damping sheet. It's a 6 mm thickness. This we are going to be applying in two places. One is behind the speakers for better acoustics, and also under the carpet we are going to be applying this on top of the damping material to reduce a lot more of the road noise as well as the engine noise.
Okay.
So this is the sheet. I am going to show you the thickness now. This is again from Moco, and this is the thickness of the sheet. So the damping process starts with removing a lot of the component. We take off all the door pads, and in this particular car, since we are going to be damping the underfloor as well, so we have taken off the seats. Now we will be removing this carpet. So in the first step, we have to clean the entire door pad. So the interior is having a lot of dust, and as well as this part of the door pad has a lot of dust. So we are going to clean it with the degreaser. Just spray it on the cloth and wipe it. We have this sheet. This is called the vapor sheet. This is fitted on the inner side of the door. This will be waste now. So we are going to be putting the new damping material on the inner part of the door also. These are the damping sheets. So we have measured the inner part, how much it's going to come to. So now we have cut it up. Just peel off the paper. Then proceed with the sticking.
Spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
Now we use the roller and we just roll it down. As an additional step of damping, we are going to be putting the 6 mm foam damping. So this is going to be put only on the areas where the speaker is there to avoid any kind of vibrations. This is just an additional step. This will be placed behind the speaker. Here we have already applied the 2.2 mm damping sheet, which is the yellow one. So on top of that we have applied the 6 mm foam. Now we are going to roll it down so it sticks properly.
Oh, jeez.